Ever wondered why some great products succeed while others just fizzle out? Let's get into it. You've seen it happen, right? A better technology comes along, but it doesn't actually win. Why is that?
Well, a lot of the answer is in a theory from 1962 called the Diffusion of Innovation.
And here's the big takeaway. It suggests it's less about the tech and more about the people.
The theory splits the entire market into 5 different groups based on how they adopt new ideas.
First up, you have the innovators. These folks are the true risk takers, obsessed with new, bugs and all.
Next, the early adopters. They're the visionaries, the opinion leaders looking for a strategic leap forward.
Then you get the early majority. They're pragmatists. They need to see solid proof before they'll even consider it. After them comes the late majority. They're the skeptics who only join in due to peer pressure. And finally, you've got the laggards. They're the traditionalists, the very last ones to get on board. Now, here's the crucial part. The biggest danger for any new idea isn't the end of the line.
It's what strategist Jeffrey Moore calls the chasm, this giant gap between the early market and the mainstream.
See, these two groups want fundamentally different things. One wants a revolution, the other wants evolution. And failing to bridge that gap, that's exactly where most brilliant products end up failing. Okay, enough theory. Let's see how this actually plays out with a few real-world examples.
M-Pesa in Kenya is a perfect success story. It solved a huge, real-world problem, making it a no-brainer.
Electric vehicles, they're in the chasm right now, trying to convince the majority on price and convenience. And then there's QR codes. The pandemic literally forced the entire population over the chasm together. So this isn't just some academic idea. It actually gives us a clear playbook for strategy. First, tailor your message. Second, make it super easy to try. And third, focus all your energy on that chasm. So in the end, having a great idea is just the start. The real question is, are you ready to cross the chasm?